Hey guys, welcome to part 4 on my turbo Mustang build. We left off on part 3. I did save a little clip and I'll play that now. I got my torque wrench here set to 70 foot-pounds. And I know having an extension on it, I don't think is the best, but maybe I'll make another phone call. Oh, that was it. That was it. That can't be it. I gotta make a phone call. There's no way. That was like nothing. Oh. Okay, let's see if we know what we're doing. And we're back. Okay, so you guys saw that I had a torque wrench and it felt like it wasn't enough. It wasn't enough to do these head studs. Like it was clicking as soon as I turned it. Which is very little amount, but I didn't know what 70 foot-pounds felt like, so I went and rented one, like I said I was gonna do, and it took a lot more juice to turn it, and yeah, it took a lot more, and it clicked, and I felt a lot more comfortable with the AutoZone one that I rented, because it actually felt like it was really holding really strong. So I'm gonna continue doing it with the AutoZone one. Mine that was given to me must just need to be recalibrated, or I don't know if it's just garbage. I don't know. But right now we're just gonna use AutoZone one and we're gonna keep going. I did two. I did that one and I did that one yesterday. So I'm just gonna keep following the pattern here that ARP set. Just so I pulled that one, new ARP stud is in, pulled that one, new ARP is in, and now we're gonna do this one. And we'll follow that and just keep doing one at a time here, and I'll keep you guys updated as we go. So also guys, for the half turn back, I took a little Sharpie, and so right now the stud is all the way down. So I made a little Sharpie mark, and then I'll turn that a half a turn loose, and then we'll keep we'll put the washer and then the nut on, and then snug it down. But that's just how I did that, which is pretty common knowledge, I would assume, but maybe not. I don't know. I thought it was cool. Whoops. All right guys, cranking her down now. And there she goes. I'm gonna do one more. Okay. 70 foot-pounds. All right, keep on going. That's it. Well, I don't, how many more times? A lot more times. Then that'll be it. Woo, all right, guys. We got this whole side done. Completely studded. Hopefully I did it correctly, and I did one at a time, did what everybody told me to do, cranked it up to what it's supposed to be, and ooh, let's get a look down in there. Let me get my flashlight. Ooh, yeah. Oh, there they are. They're in there. Did all of them. I had to move this brake booster here out of the way because the studs were so long to get it get enough room to pull the whole stud out, but we don't even need that anyways, because brakes will just slow you down, and that's not what we're trying to do here. So now I'm gonna conquer this side. So here we go. I think this is the side though that's gonna hit the strut tower. Obviously, if you look in between there, that looks pretty tight. So that side's gonna be interesting. Luckily, I picked the easy side first. But let's get after it. Oh my gosh, guys. I wasn't even gonna do this right now, but I am because it is nighttime and it's time for me to go to bed. I gotta get up early and I've been out here longer than I should have, but I did decide all my lights are dead. All I got is this little flashlight now. Both sides, head studs, done. Both of them, all studded. Look at all them bad boys in there. Okay? Woo! This was a hard one. This one, I did have to, I meant to get it on video, but then I saw what time and I just started rushing. So, I did have to unbolt that engine mount, whoop, right there. And then I took the little engine holder thing that goes across the engine here, and I strapped this down, this side down, to the K member, and then I put a strap underneath that motor mount right there, and just hiked this side of the motor up, and I got it up just enough to get those studs out right there so they didn't hit the strut tower. Got them out, struggling with number 10 all the way back there in that corner. Wow, that was a big struggle. So that's it, calling it. I'm gonna motors all bolted back to the K member, so that's a plus. And that's it. I'm gonna clean up a little bit and I'm going to the side, going to bed. And then next thing you guys might see is me playing with the oil pump, or you might see me picking up all my turbo kit. It's done. I just got the call, so I'm gonna pick that up soon. Just got done getting Cerakoted and powder coated, so you guys will see that. You'll see one of those things right now. What is up, guys? Just got back from picking up the parts from getting Cerakoted and powder coated, and they look unreal. They look so good. I put all the parts in the basement, but I brought a couple out to the garage so I could just show you guys in a little bit better lighting. So here we go. Whoosh. Okay, so valve covers, splatter black. You guys seeing that? Ooh, it's like textured, and that looks so good. And then here's one of the headers. It's just Cerakoted black. Oh my gosh, and this was a used kit, and this just cleaned it up so good. There's the turbo. I thought you guys might want to see that. That looks pretty sweet. Yeah, look at that. Wow. It's gonna look so good. It's kind of dark. You can't see it at all. Ooh, yeah. That's gonna look so sick. And then look at the timing chain cover. Oh my gosh. That might be my favorite. Like, that looks that's such a good looking piece. But yeah, there it is, guys. So you guys will see the rest of the kit like as it's going on for sure. But today I'm gonna work on the oil pump gears, and I think that's it for this episode. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Check out our Instagram at Broke Misfits. I should pop right up. It's no big deal. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next one.